Today we will see some examples of rational numbers. Out of the following, form the group of equivalent rational numbers. The easiest way to find equivalent rational numbers is to represent them in their standard form like we represent fractions in their simplest form. Here, HCF of the numerator and the denominator of 9 by 15 is 3. If we divide 9 and 15 by HCF, which is 3, then we get the simplest form of the rational number 9 by 15, that is 3 by 5. Similarly, if we divide the numerator 6 and the denominator 4 of 6 by 4 by their HCF 2, then we get the simplest form of 6 by 4, that is 3 by 2. There is no common factor except 1 in the numerator and denominator of 3 by 5. Therefore, its HCF is 1. This means this rational number is already in its simplest form. The HCF of the numerator and the denominator of 9 by 6 is 3. If we divide the numerator 9 and the denominator 6 by their HCF 3, then we get the simplest form of 9 by 6, that is 3 by 2. By observing the simplest forms, we can say that 9 by 15 is equal to 3 by 5 and 6 by 4 is equal to 9 by 6. Therefore, one of the two groups of equivalent rational numbers among the given numbers is 9 by 15 and 3 by 5. And the second group is 6 by 4 and 9 by 6. Example 2. Find the three equivalent rational numbers of minus 2 by 3. To find the equivalent rational number of any rational number, we multiply or divide its numerator and denominator by the same non-zero number. Usually, it is easy to multiply with any number. On multiplying the numerator and denominator of minus 2 by 3 by 2, we get the rational number minus 4 by 6, which is the equivalent rational number of minus 2 by 3. Similarly, on multiplying the numerator and denominator of minus 2 by 3 by 3, we get the rational number minus 6 by 9. We can also multiply the numerator and denominator of minus 2 by 3 by minus 4. By doing so, we will get 2 by 3 is equal to 8 by minus 12. Now, in order to make the sign of its denominator positive, we will multiply both the numerator and denominator by minus 1. The result, minus 8 by 12, is also an equivalent rational number of minus 2 by 3. Thus, minus 2 by 3, minus 4 by 6, minus 6 by 9, minus 8 by 12, etc. are equivalent rational numbers, since they are equal to each other. Example 3. Classify the following numbers into positive and negative rational numbers. As we have learned, if both the numerator and denominator of a rational number are positive integers and negative integers, then it is called a positive rational number. Here, 7 by 11 and minus 32 by minus 54 are positive rational numbers. Similarly, if either numerator or denominator of rational number is negative integer, then it is called a negative rational number. For example, 56 by minus 34, minus 49, minus 35 by 83, etc. are negative rational numbers. Here we have also considered minus 49 as a negative integer. Can you tell me why minus 49 is a negative integer? Think for a while. Let me tell you. Since minus 49 can be written as minus 49 by 1, this number can be represented in the form of p by q, which shows that it is also a rational number. Since of its numerator and denominator, only numerator is a negative integer, this number is the negative rational number. Now you must have understood rational numbers. Today we have seen some examples of rational numbers. In the next video, we will see some misconceptions related to it.